This video is for general financial education only and is not personal financial advice. Please make decisions based on your own situation. If your paycheck disappears every month, you may not have an income problem only. You may have expense leaks quietly draining your money. Today, we'll look at 7 common expenses that keep many Americans broke, even when they earn decent money. The goal is not to shame you. The goal is to help you find where your money is going. By the end, you'll know which expenses to review first and how to start taking back control. Expense number 1 is housing that is too expensive for your income. Rent-a-mortgage is usually the biggest monthly expense, so if it is too high, everything else becomes harder. If half of your take-home pay goes to housing, you may feel broke before the month even starts. You may not be able to change housing overnight, but you can make it a long-term goal to lower this pressure. Expense number 2 is an expensive car payment. Many people think only about the monthly car payment, but the real cost includes insurance, gas, maintenance, and repairs. A car can help you get to work, but the wrong car payment can keep you stuck for years. The goal is not to never enjoy a car. The goal is to make sure your car does not control your financial life. Expense number 3 is credit card interest. Credit card interest is one of the most expensive leaks in a budget. Minimum payments may keep the account current, but they often do very little to destroy the debt quickly. If you have high-interest credit card debt, paying it down can free up serious monthly breathing room. Expense number 4 is grocery and food spending without a plan. Food prices can feel painful, and without a plan, small grocery choices can become a big monthly problem. The biggest leak is often not groceries alone. It is buying groceries and still ordering food because there was no meal plan. A simple meal plan, a shopping list, and fewer impulse trips can save more than people expect. Expense number 5 is subscription creep. One subscription may not hurt you, but 10 small subscriptions can quietly become a serious expense. Look at your bank statement and circle every recurring charge from the last 60 days. Cancel what you do not use, pause what you barely use, and keep only what truly adds value. Expense number 6 is small daily spending that never gets tracked. $8 a day may not sound dangerous, but it becomes around $240 a month. You do not need to remove every small joy. You need to give small spending a limit. When you track small spending for just 2 weeks, you may find money you did not know you had. Expense number 7 is bills you never renegotiate. Insurance, phone plans, internet, and utilities can rise slowly over time while you keep paying automatically. Once or twice a year, review these bills and ask for a better rate or compare competitors. Even saving $50 to $100 a month can help build an emergency fund or pay down debt faster. So the 7 expenses are housing, car payments, credit card interest, food without a plan, subscriptions, untracked daily spending, and bills you never renegotiate. Do not try to fix everything today. Pick the 3 biggest leaks in your own budget and start there. For each expense, ask one question: can I cut it, reduce it, or renegotiate it? Any money you free up should immediately get a job. Send it to your emergency fund, debt payoff, or another clear goal. The point is not to live a boring life. The point is to stop letting expenses steal your future. Comment below which expense is hurting your budget the most, and subscribe for more videos in the 90-Day Money Reset series.
If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button and subscribe, because I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.